here wanting like to leave with like a sense of calmness and stillness and just more clarity like in my mind, and like being able to sort of see things clearer, being taught all these things and listening and having such like wisdom kind of taught me, and then going straight from that, like sort of having my mind think in like a different way, and then approaching art and like sitting down and kind of just expressing exactly what I feel in the moment in my art. That was like incredible for me. I literally loved it. Like the art part, literally, it had me like, that was my favorite. I mean, we're in the most beautiful venue like possible. I feel like I'm literally not like in the world anymore. I'm in like a little piece of heaven somewhere, and like I've just learned so many valuable lessons and tools that I can use in my everyday life, literally, that will help me just kind of approach life with a different perspective and maximize my opportunities. And I just can't like thank this whole like experience enough. It's been an absolute gift for me. It was like incredible for me. I literally loved it.